Ciao guys, welcome back to Minute 101. Today we're talking about Katekyoshi Hitman Reborn. Reborn, this really takes me back, so nostalgic. Katekyoshi Hitman Reborn starts off as a gag manga and it is hilarious. It was hilarious. It had several gimmicks like Doraemon, where the protagonist has some kind of trouble in his life and our lovable Hitman Reborn helps him out by putting a bullet in his brain. But he makes him a spirit and the spirit does whatever he wants to the most. Yeah, it gets a little weird. This all starts when Suna, the protagonist, is tutored by this little baby that his mother found for him as a home teacher. This teacher introduces himself as Reborn. His mother seems to treat Reborn as a grown-up, while Suna sees him as a little kid and wonders why a baby is teaching him anything at all. When Suna's mother leaves though, Reborn tells him that he is a hitman and he was sent by the prestigious mafia family in Italy called the Vongola family, and that Suna is the next successor. And Reborn has been sent to train him to become the next mafia leader. Now, this is ridiculous for Suna, but he quickly learns that Reborn is serious about this. Reborn even gets other people to join the family, and these people think it's a baby playing a game, so they just play along and unwittingly join the mafia. There are popular guys who are really good at baseball, and there's also this pair of siblings, one who specializes in poisonous cooking and the other who's kind of dynamite crazy. The story goes a little extra with characters like Lambo, Reborn's nemesis. Now, Lambo is not an actual nemesis or an enemy by any means. He just wants to kill Reborn and defeat him, but Reborn keeps making sure that he can't win at all. Every assassination attempt by Lambo ends up in failure and he ends up crying immediately afterwards, well, because he's a kid. At some points, Lambo even shoots himself with a bazooka, which turns him into an adult, which he thinks gives him an edge over Reborn. But Reborn is just too good for him. We even see Reborn's lovers who seem a little too obsessed with him. That part gets a little too weird. Now, this story is pretty engaging as it is in the anime world. But while that was happening, there was something happening in the real world as well. You see, Reborn started as a gag manga, but the ratings fell for some reason. They tanked and Reborn was on the verge of cancellation. So they had to do something to save it. And what they did was actually pretty cool. This was revealed in Bakuman as well, but not directly mentioned. So what they did was, they changed from a gag manga and slowly became an action shonen manga, which really got people's interest back in it. They did this with starting with time travel, then moving on to new powers, epic battles, and infighting in the family and inter-family fighting. All of this went back to the same plot point at the beginning of the series, which was that Suna is the successor of the Vongola family. From this point onwards, Reborn's role becomes a teacher for Suna, to actually training the entire Vongola family generation of Suna and creating them into the next leaders of the mafia. In fact, in the end of the series, spoiler, there is even an all-out war between all these little babies and the people they are training, and we get a glimpse of adult Reborn. Remember I said Chias at the start? So Reborn keeps saying Chiasu whenever he enters an area, and then we realize that as a baby he can't really say chaos, which is what adult Reborn says, which is just chaos. It's the chaos he causes, I guess. Now, I must tell you, adult Reborn is cool. Reborn switching from a gag manga to an action manga is one of the best examples of genre switching and making it work. It really saved the show. Now, Reborn ultimately fell for the mangaka curse and ended pretty But that's okay. They still had a very good run. It was fun to watch then and it is so nostalgic right now. That's it for this episode of Minute 101. I hope you check out Reborn. Let us know what you think about Reborn in the comments down below. Like, share, follow, and we shall see you next week with another show.